Hello and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. It's challenge lock day today. We have a Fast Charlie challenge lock. Let's have a look. It's called D- for T but then failed by Fast Charlie. There's a bitten. Very nice bitten. Does work nice and smooth. There's a little hang up when you turn it to the left a little bit, but we'll find out what that is. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, which is UKLS, or you can find us on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers, and on Lockpicking and Lock Sport on UKLP on Facebook. And if you like some of my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. I make 2-3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials to all type of lock stuff related, really. Yes, let's see if we can get this open. Also, quick reminder on the next disassemble video, something that William Mansell reminded me of, and thank you very much, my friend. As you saw, when I put the lock together to test the core, I stuck the key in and turned it. Forgot to tell you, there was no circlip on the back, and that's why I had to put my finger on the core to remove the key to stop the core flying out. Because if you do that without, and you forget there's no circlip in, then, or C-clip, your pins and springs are just going to bounce everywhere. So on that next one for that, I'll put a reminder on that not to do, and I'll have to remind myself not to do that as well, just because it's something I'm used to doing through when I test locks. Once I put them back together to make sure they're okay, I'll leave the clip off. Just because I get as you know, most people get fed up with pulling them off. They can be irritating. The spring ones are all right. I just don't like the bendy ones. Oh, sorry, I'm using a Bobby Keys hook, deep hook, and a pry bar. I think it's a Sparrows one, this one. Or a Peters, I can't remember which one it's from. Zoom in a bit more. Some nice clicks off 2 and 3. A nice fault set going now. Counter on 1. Oh, we've got a deeper fault set now. Getting counter rotation then, but definitely not 2. 1's in the right place. Getting counter on. I think I'm getting counter on 4. No, I think it's 5. Got my fault set back again. I'd lost that then. Bit more of a fault set there. Oh, we're open. There we go. Oh, my fingers. That was a tricky lock. I gave some really good feedback, then it would blag you into thinking it was something else. Just give me 1 second. Right. Bugger. I dropped my pinning tray. Let's see what's going on. Let's get. I need some room. Right. Clip. Yeah, this is the clip I put on the back. Out of all the ones I've got, this is the only one that would. Fit on it neatly. Right. Yeah. Right, so let's get a. Let's find a shim that's not all busted up. There we go. Luckily with luckily with the locks like this, it's not too bad if you sort of mess things up just a little bit, because you got the clip that you can take off. You know, you can, if something goes wrong, you can get those pins out safely. Right, there we go. We're out. Well, it was only a 5-pin. Well, everything needed picking. Good job those. Hopefully there's no sharp pins, and they would have definitely been in traps and jammed your lock up. But we've got nice spoolish. Oh, got a very nice spool keeping. Oh, a serrated keeping. That's very nice. Standard keeping, and in 5, another standard keeping. And let's check what he's done to the core. We've got threading in 1, 2, 3, nothing in 4, and nothing in 5. Now let's check out what we've got going on in here. It's out very slowly. There we go. Now, to some people, you know, sometimes it looks like your lock is upside down. I've put the pins in upside down. I haven't. They're the key pins, and your key would touch here. This is where your drivers would be. So your key pins are up here, and your drivers are at the top. So I'm just turning them around the way they would be. It just looks like I've done it all back to front. Very nice work on these pins, Charlie, my friend. Well, that went like that, and is that wafer? That is a wafer. Now I wonder the wafer. Oh, and a tiny bit of a spring. I wonder if the wafer. No, it was just to accommodate the. Oh, we've got some, so looking here, we've got some threading in 1, 2, 3, none in 4, oh, some in 5. Awesome work, Fast Charlie, my friend. Very nice work. Let's have a look what we've got going on down here. There we go. So what we've got is a, got a very nice keeping, like serrated on the top. Very nice spooled keeping. And then we've got this one's like all different types of things. We've got a bit of a spool, mushroomy, then spool, standard, and then standard in 5. Very nice spoolish type in 1. Very nice serrated in 2. Another small serrations in 3. And then we've got this little bug. It looks like it was completely all the way through. Yeah. Looks like that could have been a pin in pin. And then we've got a slightly serrated wafer. And then in 5 we've got very nice serrated and spooled keeping with a standard in the bottom. And then we've got springs are practically all the same length except for the one that belongs to the wafer. Now, I wonder if the wafer is to help the key work or it's there to trick you. Because it could be one of both, which it could be, I suppose. But yeah, absolute awesome lot, my friend. Well, we'll get that put back together. That's going in the box for Matt. But yeah, really enjoyed doing that. Some really nice feedback. Quite tricky. Nearly had me over a couple of times, but yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.